Good morning, parents and my dear students. In the previous sessions, we have started Unit 3 Digital Documentation, and we have taken in Session 1, Session 2 and Session 3. I have taught you Introduction of LibreOffice, Components of Writer Window, how to edit a document, how to format a text, indentation, alignment, and we have continued with the paragraph formattings, and in the last session I have also explained you page formattings, right? So today we'll be learning in this session about table, how to create a table, how to do certain formattings on the table, and mail merge. We'll be taking mail merge. Okay, so let's start with the table. What is table? First of all, it's a representation of data in a tabular format. Table means which consists of rows and columns. Okay, so how you can create table in Writer? The step is, first you have to go to table from the menu bar and then click on insert. As soon as you click on insert, you will see a window appears which asks for the number of rows and columns. You have to enter the number of rows and columns and your table will be created. Now we'll see what all operations we can perform on a table. Okay, we can insert rows and columns. That means a table is already created and we want to insert more rows and more columns in it. We can do that by following this step, that is, click on table and then go to insert. If you want to insert rows, you will click on rows above or rows below, and if you want to insert column, you will click on column left or column right. Okay, and then the next operation is delete rows and columns. You can also delete the row and delete column. Firstly, you have to place the cursor which you want to delete, which cell or which row column you want to delete, and then you will click on table from the menu bar and then go to delete rows or delete columns. Okay, now splitting and merging. We can also perform the operation of splitting and merging. Splitting means to split a particular table into two or more tables, that is splitting a table, and merging a table means combining two tables into one, that is called merging. So this you can do again going to table and then click on split table, or if you want to merge the table, then you have to click on merge table. I'll be showing all the steps after this slide. Okay, I'll be showing the practical of it. Now you can perform delete a table. You can delete a table also. Go to table and click on delete table, whichever table you want to delete. First place the cursor there, go to table and then click on delete table. Now copying a table. If you want to copy the same table somewhere else also, you will go to table, select the table, okay, and then press Ctrl C, that means copy. Ctrl C is for copy. You will copy the table and then you will place the cursor where you want to paste the table, and then you will click on Ctrl plus V. That means the same table will be copied at another place. Okay, moving a table. Now moving a table is same as cutting and pasting the table into another place. Okay, you will go to table, select the table and press Ctrl plus X, that is for cut. The table will be cut from that place and then it will be placed to another place by pressing Ctrl plus V. Okay, so let's see how we can perform all these operations and how we can insert a table in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so this is our document. We'll go to table from the menu bar, click on insert table. As soon as you click on insert table, it will ask for number of rows and number of columns. I want 5 column and I want 5 rows, 5 or 6 rows I'm taking. I want heading to be displayed. Okay, this will make the heading appear in bold. I'll click on insert. Okay, so this, okay, right, So now I'm entering some data in it and we'll see the operations. Okay, I've left these here and I've left these cells here because I want to merge all the cell into one. So I'll select the cell, go to table, click on merge cells. Okay, like this. Got it? In the same way I want to merge these two. Okay, I'll select, go to table, click on merge cell. In the same way this also, select, go to table and click on merge cell. Okay, so these tables, have you seen that these are bold? Because I checked the option of heading while creating the table. That's why this is by default bold. It is taking this as heading. Okay, I want all these to be center aligned, so I'll select and center align it. Right, so this is how you can create a table. Now we'll see what all operations we can perform on the table. All these operations, firstly we'll see inserting rows and columns, how you can insert. Suppose I want to insert a row here. Okay, I've placed the cursor on the place. I'm going to insert rows above, insert rows below. Okay, I want to insert a row below. Got it? A row has been inserted here. Right, if I want to insert a column here, what will I do? I'll place the cursor at that place, insert column after or before. Okay, after. Got it? This is how you can insert a row and insert a column. Now if you want to delete the entire table, what will you do? You will go to table, click on delete. Got it? The entire table has been deleted. Okay, this is the way to delete the entire table. Right? Now, on that this marks should not change. So what I can do is, I can click on the cell, go to table and click on protect cells. Okay, so this particular I can't edit. It is showing it is write protected and its content cannot be changed. Okay, this is how you can protect the cells. Okay, this is called write protecting the cell. Now we'll see how we can split a particular table into two. Okay, this is also an operation. What you will do, you will place the cursor where you want to split the table to, go to table, click on split table. You want to copy the heading? Yes, I want to. Right, so this particular table has got split into two. Now what if you want to merge the table back? Firstly you will place the cursor here in the blank space and you will click on the delete key. Right, these are two tables which can be seen by this dark border here. Okay, now I want to merge and make it into one. So what I'll do, I'll go to table, click on merge table. Okay, so this particular table has got merged. Now you cannot see the dark border, right? That means this particular table has been combined into one table. I want to delete this row, so I'm deleting this row. Right, now I want to change the color of this particular heading. I want to give a background to this whole heading. What will I do? I'll go to table, click on properties, click on border color. Okay, I can select any color from here. Got it? This is how you can change the color of your heading or any row, any cell. Okay, this is how you can create a table, and this is how you can perform certain operations on the table. Okay, now we'll see how you can move the table. Okay, firstly what you will do, you will go to table, click on select the whole table, press Ctrl C, then place the cursor where you want to and then press Ctrl V. This is how you can copy the table. Okay, now you want to move the table from one place to another. What you are going to do, Now we'll go to table, select the table, Control X, you have cut, and we'll paste it here. This is how you can move a table from one place to another. Okay, so always remember, if you have enabled protect cells, first you have to unprotect those cells and then only you can move your table, right? So these are all the formattings, all the operations which you can perform on a table. Okay, now we'll move further to mail merge. Okay, so basically what is mail merge? Mail merge is a very important feature of word processor. It is used to create multiple copies of same document and send it to different addresses. Okay, you will create a same document, but you can change the addresses of that document. The content will be the same, only the addresses will be different. Suppose you want to send to 100 people, then you can make one simple content and then create a separate address and then combine them both and then create 100 different letters or invitations. So that is the use of mail merge. Okay, so in mail merge, firstly you have to create a main document, then you have to create a data source. Now what is this main document? It is the content which you are going to create, like the invitation, the letter, that is the main document. Okay, and now what is data source? Data source are the mailing addresses to which you want to send, the records which you keep saved so that you can send, you use those addresses and send the content to different addresses. Okay, so data source are made up of rows or records, we can call it. Each rows are called as records, and this records contains of name, address, pin code, city, state, telephone number, email address, like that. Okay, now what all operations will be performed while creating a mail merge? Firstly, you have to create a data source, which is very important. Then you have to create the letter or the content, the main document which you want to create. Then you can save the output in the editable format as well. Okay, you can save your whole document in the editable format so that you can edit it in future and make some changes. If you want to send it again, make some changes in that document and then send it. Okay, and you can take the printouts as well. Okay, so now what are the other steps of mail merge? You'll have to be very careful. Okay, so firstly you have to create a main document. This is the main document. Okay, this main document I have created. I have opened LibreOffice and typed this whole document. Okay, so my main document is created. Now I want to create the recipient list. Now what are the recipients? The addresses to which we want to send, those are known as recipient. So how we can create it? We'll go to tools. Okay, click on mail merge wizard. As soon as you click on mail merge wizard, this particular wizard will be opened. Okay, when this particular wizard will be visible, you have to click on this radio button, that is use the current document. That means the main document which we have created, you have to use that only. So use the current document, then you will click on next. When you click on next, you will reach to this window. Okay, from here you have to select letter or email message. I'm sending letter, so I have selected letter from here. Then you will click on next. Okay, then you have to insert the addresses. Okay, so for that, firstly you will select the address list, right? If you have already saved it, you will select the address list from here. As soon as you click on select address list, a select address list window will be appeared like this. Okay, so here I have not made any current record list yet. So what I'll be doing, I'll be clicking on create, as I want to create a new list. Okay, so as soon as I click on create list from here, I will see a window like this. Okay, this will allow me to create my new address list. So here you will see the fields: title, first name, last name, company name. So all these fields I have to enter. If I want to customize my address list, I will click on this customize address list, and as soon as I click on customize address list, I will see various options here. From that options you can select whichever you want. If you want to add, you will select it and click on add. It will get added automatically. If you want to rename it, click on rename. Okay, click on rename. It will allow you to rename that particular field. If you want to delete, you don't need that field, you will delete the field. Okay, these three operations you can perform, and then you will click on OK. Right, as soon as you click on OK, then you have to enter this option. This will come, then you will enter all the fields here. This window will pop up. As soon as this window comes, you will enter all the fields, 1 2 3 10, how much you have to enter. You will enter all the details here. Click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, it will go to the salutation. Okay, you have to create a salutation. From here you can create a salutation. Okay, here you will create salutation, and then you will click on next. As soon as you click on next, it will ask you to adjust the layout. It will show you the layout of the mail merge, how the mail merge is going to appear in your document. You can adjust the layout and then click on finish. Okay, this is the whole step for creating mail merge. Okay, now we'll see step by step how we can create the mail merge. Okay, so let's see that. Here I have already created a document. Okay, this is my document which I have already created. Now what will I do? I will go to tools, click on what? Mail merge wizard. Right, we'll click on mail merge wizard from here. You have seen this window. Okay, use the current document. This document I have to use, so I'll click on next. I have to create a letter. Yes, I'll click on next. Now it will ask me to insert address block. I want to select. Okay, I have already created here, but I'll show you how we can create one. I'll click on create. Okay, and we can create a list from here. Okay, you will select all the fields. If you want to customize, you will click on customize. I want company name. I'll click on add. Okay, you will see we can add the element here. Click on OK. So the company name is added. Okay, if I want to delete, I can delete it. If I want to rename this particular address line 1, I can rename it into address. Simple. I have renamed it. If you want to add a new one, you can add it from here. Okay, so these are all the elements which will be visible in the field list. As soon as you have created, customized your list, you will click on OK, and you will fill all the details from here. Okay, title will be Mr. You will write the name, type the name, last name. Okay, like this you have to create a list from here. Okay, as soon as you create the list, okay, let me show you. I'm showing you one. I'm entering one, and I'll show you. As soon as you have created the list and you click on OK, it will ask you to save the list. Okay, so I'm saving it with the name new address. Okay, the extension of the addresses which you save, that is the record data source, is CSV. Okay, and I'll click on save. As soon as I click on save, you will see that it gets automatically added in this list. Okay, now I want to use this new which I have already created. I will click on new. I'll click on OK. Okay, so you will see the fields which you have entered will come here. Okay, then I'll click on next. I want to create a salutation. Okay, you will see the address, title, first name, last name, everything has come here. Okay, so this is how your mail merge will be done. Okay, now we'll see the final document. As soon as you enter these fields here, you will see that this particular toolbar has appeared. This is called the mail merge toolbar. Okay, so let's see. If you want to make any edit, if you want to edit anything, you can edit it from here. Okay, if you want to exclude any recipient, you can exclude it from here. Okay, and then you can see how your document appears. I have made 2 addresses, so you can see here 2 documents. First is this, Mr. Nirav Jha, and second is Mr. Amit Kapoor. Okay, so this is how you can create your mail merge document. Got it? This is how you can create a mail merge document. Okay, fine. Now we'll see what all operations, what all things we can do in a mail merge. Okay, try to do it. Okay, it's very easy, just you have to follow the steps, the 14 steps which are there. You have to follow this. You can exclude any recipient. If you don't want to include any recipient, you can click on exclude recipient like I showed from here. You can click on exclude recipient. That means this particular recipient will be excluded, he will not be included. Okay, now next is save the merge document. You can save this merge document from here. You will go to file, click on save. So this particular merged document will be saved. Okay, I've already saved it, so I'll click on save as. Okay, like this, you will see that this particular document will be saved here. Okay, so this particular document will be saved, the merge document. Okay, then you can print the merge document. You can print it from here. You can click on print and all the merge documents will get printed, and then you can send email messages also. Okay, send email messages. You will see an option here which says send email messages. Okay, so you can send email messages as well, right? So now I'll be giving you an assignment. So your assignment is to create a letter using mail merge to inform the parents about the parent teacher interaction day and send it to 10 parents. Okay, you can take the reference. You will find this question in your book, that is Let's Practice 7, question number 1, and page number 87 it is. Okay, I'll mention the page number here. Page number is 87. Okay, so you will find this question in your book. Okay, so that's it for today's session, students. Hope you all are doing good. Take care, all of you, very well, and do the assignment and send it to me. Okay, take care, students. Bye bye.